What's up guys, this is Tyler from Magic Graphics, and today we're at Tagger. We're going to be showing you something extra special.
This is dedicated to you if you felt the lowest.
We got a new Shoei Evo that we're going to be installing the Tagger Designs Buttery Tiger King helmet wrap. We're going to walk through all the steps that you need to get this on your helmet and have it looking factory fresh in no time. Step one is we want to go over the tools that we're going to need to get this on your helmet. So a couple things that are ideal is one, a good quality squeegee. You can pick it up from a local sign shop. Some of your tin shops have them too. Get one of those. Two, a sharp X-Acto. Definitely recommend fresh blade in case you got to do any trimmings if you don't get the helmet wrap placed just perfect each time. Squeegee with a hard edge always works really nice. A good cleaner to strip the helmet of any debris that might be on there, and a high quality heat gun. I do recommend a heat gun, not a hair dryer.